The goal of this circuit is going to drop voltage from 12 volt to 3.3 volt by using voltage regulator AMS 111 and 17. Also, you can search it on internet. Have 3 terminals as input, output, and ground. Using capacitor for reducing noise and making certain current. So now we will go through to putting the power supply to this circuit and making the value of the capacitor and make the rectangle on this board circuit and make the touch for making node. We will go step by step. So now let's quickly look at the right side. We're gonna see this label, or by clicking it or press P on our keyboard, it's gonna let us to go play by putting the value of power supply. So I'm gonna click here. So now I'm gonna find 12 volt, double click, move it to here. Let's click again. I find 3.3 volt, double click here, move like this. Our board circuit has been done by putting the power supply, and now I'll do put the value of capacitor. I have already found the value on this circuit, so you can also search this circuit on internet. Now I'm gonna putting this value of capacitor, escape, double click, find the value, click here. I'm gonna have 10 microfarad, click OK, double click, 0.1 microfarad. You can go quickly, double click, 0.1 microfarad, click OK, 10 microfarad. Now our board circuit has been done by putting all the value on this board. So now I'm gonna make the rectangle on this board circuit by looking the right side, clicking here. Let's click and let's click again, move it like this. By doing like this, I can make me more clear to look this circuit and escape. I'm gonna make the node of this board circuit also. Look at the right side, click here, and I'm gonna have voltage regulator, and also you can add any name you want for more easy. Click OK, move it to here. Let's see again. I'm gonna have 12 volt input. Okay, gonna move it to here, and let's click again. 3.3 volt output. Okay.